Arubus.
Come on, Zinga. Come on, buddy. Let's go. We're gonna go for a walk. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, Zinga. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Let's go. Come.
Ha. What are you doing? Get down off of that chair. Come on. Get off that chair. Come on.
You were definitely not a morning dog.
What are you saying, Zulu? What are you saying to him? Let's go. Y'all want to go outside? Come on, buddy. Let's go. I'm getting seasick, Mama. Getting seasick. Whoa.
Oh, come on. Come on, lazy boy. Come on, lazy boy. Look at that snaggle tooth. Huh? You smiling? Are you smiling? Oh, you hit that tooth.
Let's go.
Come on. Let's go. Come on. No, I don't want to go. I'm lazy. Alrighty.
All right, ready?
Let's go. Light off.
Let's go do this. I see a squirrel over there. You see the squirrel? You see that squirrel? Come on, let's go. Come on. You see that squirrel? You guys see that squirrel?
Oh, yeah.
I see that squirrel. Oh, you want him, huh? Whoa. Want him, Zinga? Want him? Let's go get him. Oh, there he is. You almost got him. All right, come on. Come on. Who's hungry? Come on, guys, let's go get some dinner. Just waking up from their naps. They're ready to have dinner. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this little guy here. And this. All right, guys, as I'm prepping this, let's see here. Oh gosh, today we went for a walk and we saw a squirrel, didn't we, guys? He was standing up and he was just like almost, I don't think he saw the dogs, but and at first they didn't see him, but it was funny because I saw the squirrel and then I tried to get them to see him too, but that was fun. We had a nice little walk. All right, guys, we're gonna do your mat. Messy mat and the other one here like we always do. Gonna challenge your little brains. All right, so we'll start with this one. Whoops, freebie. Hate it when that happens. All right, so that one's done. And we'll get this one here. This one here is a little bit more challenging to fill. So what we have to do is we have to make sure all these flaps are out of the way. And we just put a little bit in each cup. A lot easier to do this with a smaller cup, but I did it backwards. All right, now we put these flaps back like this on each one of them. But now I'm going to put this in the other cup. Makes it much easier. What we're going to do now is actually put a little bit of kibble in each one of these. And so by filling these up, then they have to slide them out of the way to get to the other one. Then they got to slide them back to dump them in the hole. Then they got to slide them out of the way again. It's quite entertaining for their brains. Keeps them thinking. You guys ready to eat? Okay, who's ready? Who's ready to eat? Ready? Okay, Zulu, you're here. Oh. Who's ready to go outside? Hmm? Come on, Zinj. I'm gonna take Zinja first, okay, girl? Yeah, I know. You can't both go at the same time when it's just me, okay? It's okay. You're gonna go too, don't worry. Oh. You guys are so close. Alright, you're gonna go too, girl. You're gonna have to wait your turn, though. There's one of me and two of you. There she is, faithfully waiting by the door. We're back. Told you I was coming back. Go on. All right, Zulu, come on. Let's go. You're up, kid. Come on. Come on. You're up. Come on. Come here. Come. Zulu, come on. Hey, get over here. There you go. Gotta catch ya. Ooh, sorry about that. Smacked you in the face. Okay, come on, let's go. There's Ninja, waiting patiently. Come on, guys, let's go out back. We haven't been out back yet today.